Sharon's FML FODMAPS. Simple recipes that are FODMAPS friendly. I've used them on Ash app, and welcome to the show. Alright, welcome to the show. To start with, I'm going to marinate a lovely piece of lamb. It's going to be delicious. So start with that. Alright guys, so I got this butterfly lamb leg from Aldi for $15. So just cut the packet open and put it into a marinating tray or a dish with a lid you can put it into your fridge. Cut it open, put it in the container. So these are the ingredients I've got to start with. Bit of fancy salt. Can't afford a mortgage, can't afford this salt.
No mortgage for you.
A little bit of rosemary. Some coriander or cilantro, some may call it. Some fresh mint. So 1 handful chopped rosemary going on. 3 sprigs of mint to be chopped and put onto it. Small little handful of coriander. So good. Here's the lamb covered in herbs. Looks fantastic. Let's add some more things to it that are FODMAPS friendly, so you don't have many options. FODMAPS friendly, you are allowed garlic oil, but not garlic. You are allowed onion oil, but not onion. I'm going to add some dried thyme. Didn't have the time to go to the shops. Mustard powder. So I sealed the lid on and I'm going to refrigerate this for a good hour. Once you take this out of your fridge, delicious, ready to go. Can I just add, bought this Barbie brand new from Bunnings, didn't give me a refund, started rusting the week I bought it.
Bunnings warehouse. It's a bit shit.
Cook it for 20 minutes on each side. There you have it. A beautiful butterfly barbecue lamb. Ain't she something special?
Oh, who's that goddess up there?